Ito na po.
Register daw po ni Representative.
Ito na yata yung mga eroplano. Eh, naku, fake news daw yung mga nagbabalita na merong eroplano o helicopter si Saldico. Oh,
Okay, attorney, follow up.
Yes.
Regarding naman dun sa mga helicopter,
Okay.
register daw po ni
kasi po ang balita mga kababayan, di ba? 2 helicopter na ni Saldico ang ililipat na ng lugar. Inilipat na ho doon sa Kota Kinabalu. Tapos yung isang eroplano naman ho, mga kababayan, ay nasa labas na din ng bansa. Tapos ho, mga bossing, nagsalita na din po si Secretary Vince Dizon dyan na mahihirapan na sila na ibenta yan. Hindi na nila maibebenta yan. Di ba, Ma'am Adela Brasos? Yun yung sinabi ni Secretary Vince Dizon ho. Ngayon, pakinggan natin yung lawyer ni Saldico Rap. Saldico, si Beta Gamer naman kasi. Oh, Saldico Rap. Kaya nabansagan kong Saldico Rap. Nabasa ko lang ho. Oh,
Representative Saldico, yung mga,
You have to be very precise with me on the choppers. What's the question?
yung 5 na chopper po,
5 na choppers. Okay.
na nakalabas na po, nakalabas po ng bansa.
mo parang ang gusto ng lawyer, kailangan sigurado ka kung aling chopper yung sinasabi mo. Kailangan kabisado mo yung numero ng chopper, etc. etc. Para, syempre tayo naman no, mga kababayan, hindi naman tayo yung humahalungkat mismo nun. Basta sinabi sa balita at eto yung kanilang naimbestigahan na inilabas na, syempre chopper na lang. Di ba?
Okay.
Tatlo pala, attorney, sorry.
Okay. Si representative ko wala siyang may-ari na any aircraft. I understand that any aircraft related to him is owned by Miss
Wala naman daw pala na asset si aircraft itong si Saldico.
Miss Aviation. Na-separate si Mr. Ko sa Miss ano. You should ask the lawyer of Miss Ibis. I'm not the lawyer. But
Pero sir, si Secretary Vince Dizon na ang nagsabi niyan. Di ba?
see, yan na yung yan na yung isang misinformation na malaki. That's the reason we're here. Because Secretary Dizon keeps saying na i-freeze lahat yan, i-confiscate yan. If you look at his SALN, yung Miss Ibis Aviation was incorporated in 2004, 2008. Now, Zaldico became a congressman in 2019. So, yung aviation company na in which he owns stock is what? Was already 15, 16, 17 years old before he became when he became a congressman. Now,
Ang sinasabi po ni attorney dito, mga kababayan, na yung mga chopper, mga helicopter, yung mga aviation company or whatever, etc. Kumbaga 16 o 11 pa yata o 13, 2013, 14, 15, 16 acquired na ni Saldico. Tapos 2019 siya naging congressman. Yun po yung paliwanag ni attorney.
sabi ni Secretary Dizon na ifo-forfeit daw. Dalawa lang ang forfeiture dito. No? A criminal forfeiture will require a criminal conviction. That's final. A civil forfeiture will require proof and a final decision that the forfeited property was illegally acquired. How can something that was acquired by a company 17 years before he became a congressman be illegally acquired?
So, sa madaling salita, so hindi po kay Representative Saldico yung tatlong chopper?
No. Not that I know of na meron siyang personal na chopper. Must be Miss Ibis Aviations, which again is an old company. Naka-report sa SALN niya yun, ha?
Thank you, attorney.
Sir, good morning.
Hi.
Hannah po from Billionario.
Hi, Hannah.
Clarification lang din tungkol dun sa naging Senate Blue Ribbon hearing nung September. Basically, mainit po kasi
Dali. May kumakatok. Bakit? Ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay. Naga.
yung mata ni Congressman Zaldico sa publiko because of the supposed cash deliveries made by his former aide, Orly Guteza. First, sir, can you confirm if Guteza was indeed a former aide of Zaldico?
The first time I heard that name was at the Senate hearing, or was it the House? I learned about that Mr. Gutierrez's name. I heard Mr. Gutierrez's name for the first time, same time you did, nung nahitingin ko. I know that he had 2 aides, something biblical, Matthew, Luke, something,
Mark and Paul, sir?
whatever, na former aides niya, but I understand also that they were no longer connected with him at the relevant time. Now, if you're asking me whether or not there were deliveries to Representative Go at any time, no. Categorical.
You deny all the cash deliveries, including the
To
luggage,
him?
sir. Yes, to his house, to his condo.
Who's making that accusation, Hannah?
Si Gutesa po. Mga kababayan ha, tatahimik na lang ako kasi talagang si attorney na nag-explain dyan ha.
It was Orly Guteza who
And where is he now?
we can't find him, sir.
Nagtatago. Oy, Marcoleta, nasa na daw si Orly Gutesa? Hinahanap nito oh.
It's for us to find out.
There you
But
go. You have to forgive me, you know. My brain isn't trained to think that way. I'm always evidence-based. Kaya nga, the reason why you're here is para ma-realign nga natin, ma-redirect natin yung narrative. Na wag naman chismis, wag naman speculation. Because hindi tatayo in a court of law.
would you say, sir, ito po yung isa sa mga sinabi nyo kanina na narrative na skewered?
Yes. Because who's saying na mayroon deliveries? Did they see my client receive the delivery of money? I'll even reduce it to an
Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo ho, mga kababayan. Hindi ko pinagtatanggol si Saldico dito, ha? Na ako din po, ang gusto ko, umuwi siya, i-depensa niya yung kanyang sarili, magpakita siya para dito sa mga sinasabi tungkol sa kanya. Pero hindi ko po pinagtatanggol. Pero yung ginawa nila Marcoleta, sabi ko nga ho sa inyo papel lang na binasa ni Orly Gutesa na walang ipinakitang ebidensya ho, mga bossing. So, ganun din ho kay Martin Romualdez. Di ba, Ed Ong?
absurdity, ano? Is it possible na may utang lang sila at nagbayad sila?
Sir, is Congressman Zaldico willing to attend any Senate pluriabon probe? I believe invitations were sent already.
Again, he will as soon as the threat to his life is abated.
Kailan yan? Ang bilis talaga, no, kapag ka nagtatago ka. Alam niyo ho, ilang beses ko na hong napanood, nakita, narinig, na kapag ka yung isang tao nagtatago, pati ho kay pati ko ho kay Tebes, narinig ko na yan. May threat sa buhay o may banta sa buhay ni Tebes. Yun yung lagi nilang ginagamit. Kay Gutesa naman, di ba, ginamit din ni Marcoleta. May 5 milyon na nakapatong sa ulo ni Orly Gutesa, kaya hindi lumalabas si Orly Gutesa.
By who, sir? Sino po ang may
Look
nagtathreat?
around you. Ang dami. It's all over social media. I'm not tech savvy. Nakikita ko everyday yung mga threats sa kanya. Isabit na yan, bitayin na yan, etc. etc.